नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this session, we will learn about McConkey's agar. Now, preparation of culture media, that is McConkey's agar. McConkey's agar was the first solid differential media to be formulated, which was developed at 20th century by Alfred Theodore McConkey. McConkey's agar is a selective and differential media used for the isolation and differentiation of non-fastidious gram-negative rods, particularly members of the family Enterobacteriaceae and the genus Pseudomonas. Now, ingredients of the McConkey agar. Peptone is 17 grams, protease peptone is 3 gram, lactose monohydrate 10 grams, bile salt is 1.5 gram, sodium chloride is 5 gram, neutral red 0.03 grams, crystal violet 0.001 gram, agar is 13.5 grams, and distilled water add to make 1 liter. The principle of McConkey agar. McConkey agar is used for the isolation of gram-negative enteric bacteria and the differentiation of lactose fermenting from lactose non-fermenting gram-negative bacteria. Pancreatic digest of gelatin and peptones provides the essential nutrients, vitamin, and nitrogenous factors required for growth of microorganisms. Lactose monohydrate is the fermentable source of carbohydrate. The selective action of this medium is attributed to crystal violet and bile salts, which are inhibitory to the most species of gram-positive bacteria. Sodium chloride maintains the osmotic balance in the medium. Neutral red is a pH indicator that turns red at a pH below 6.8 and is colorless at any pH greater than 6.8. Agar is the solidifying agent. Now preparation of McConkey's agar. Suspended 49.53 gram of dehydrated medium in 1000 ml of purified distilled water. Heat to boiling to dissolve the medium completely. Sterilize by autoclaving at 15 lbs pressure, that is 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Cool to 45 to 50 degrees centigrade. Mix well before pouring into sterile Petri plates. Uses of McConkey agar. McConkey agar is used for the isolation of gram-negative enteric bacteria. It is used in the differentiation of lactose fermenting from lactose non-fermenting gram-negative bacteria. It is used for the isolation of coliforms and intestinal pathogens in water, dairy products, and biological specimens. Now result and interpretation on McConkey's agar. Lactose fermenting strain grows at red or pink and may be surrounded by a zone of acid precipitated bile. The red color is due to production of acid form lactose, absorption of neutral red, and if subsequent color changes of the dye when the pH of medium falls below 6.8. Lactose non-fermenting strains such as Shigella and Salmonella are colorless and transparent and typically do not alter the appearance of the medium. Yersinia enterocollegia may appear as small, non-lactose fermenting colonies after incubation at room temperature. This is how a McConkey's agar. This is how E. coli looks like. This is how Enterobacter aeugine, Proteus vulgaris, Salmonella typhimurium, Staphylococcus aureus. This is lactose fermenting colonies, and this is non-lactose fermenting colonies. This is pink color, and this is colorless. Limitation of McConkey's agar. The colonial characteristics described give presumptive identification only of the isolated organism. It is necessary to subculture and carry out confirmation tests for the final identification. Some strains may be encountered that grow poorly or fail to grow on this medium. Incubation of McConkey's agar plates under increased CO2 has been reported to reduce growth, growth and recovery of a number of strains of gram-negative bacilli. Some strains of Proteus may swarm on this medium. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.